I'm going to show you how to mail PDFs to a list of email addresses that you have in Excel. This is basically the same file that I used for mail to a list for doing Word documents. But I'm asked this question a lot, so I thought I would make a video of it. So basically we have our list of email addresses here. We have our list of files that we are going to attach. And right now these files are PDFs. Basically, if we go through the code, I have set some parameters. dim as an edress as a string, subject as a string, message as a string, file name as a string, Outlook app as an object, Outlook mail item as an object, my attachment as an object, path as a string, and lastrow integer, attachments as a string, and x as an integer. Okay, so I'm saying while x equals 2 because I'm heading rows here, and then we are setting while x1 does not equal blank, then set Outlook to create Outlook object, create Outlook.Application, Outlook mail item equals outlookApp.createitem 0, set my attachments equal Outlook mail items attachments, path C user. So basically what I've done is I've brought up my file folder where these things are put. I've clicked in here and I've got the path by clicking in there and copying it. So you see that I have both Word and PDFs saved here. So now, that's basically where I've got my path from. Don't forget to put the final backslash and put that all in quotations. Edress equals whatever is in here is our edress. Okay? Attachment equals path and file name. So the path that we've selected here and the file name. The file name equals Sheet1.Cells. The cells that are, whatever you have here, it can be PDFs, it can be Excel files, it can be anything. As long as you have it specified in here, you can attach anything you want to these documents, to these emails. Set this all up when we go Outlook mailitem.To equals edress, which is our email address, Outlook, and then we have nothing for carbon copy or a blind carbon copy. Subject, the subject equals the cells that we have right here. And then it says we have a little message in our email address that says, please find attached your statements attached, and then best regards. So now, and then it loops through that, and when it's finished the loop, it says set Outlook app equals nothing, and set Outlook mail equals nothing. So let's run this. So basically, now I'll open up my Outlook and Outbox. And there I have my first email sent to Screaming Acres, and the subject is 12345, and I have got attached the PDF. So this is basically showing you that you can put any type of attachment that you want, including PDFs, in the Excel file. You can attach anything you'd like here. So that's how you send a PDF as an attachment to an email list. Please subscribe.